If you're passionate about indoor gardening and looking for a way to take your plant care to the next level, the yadoker Smart Plant Light might be the game changer you need. This innovative grow light stands out with its impressive array of features designed to cater to various plant needs and preferences. What makes the yadoker Smart Plant Light truly unique is its smart functionality. It's compatible with both Alexa and Google, allowing for effortless voice control. Additionally, it integrates with the Alexa, Google, and Smart Life apps, enabling you to manage your plant's lighting remotely. This is especially useful if you're often away from home and want to ensure your plants are getting the optimal light. The light comes with 3 preset scene modes tailored for different plant types: rhizomes, flowering fruit, and leafy vegetables. Each mode optimizes the light's color and brightness to match the specific needs of your plants. You can even customize the settings further by uploading pictures of your plants to get the perfect light and color combination, which adds a personal touch to your plant care routine. In terms of customization, this smart plant light excels. Unlike traditional grow lights, it offers 4 colors: white, yellow, blue, and red, each adjustable from 1% to 100% luminance, covering a full spectrum of 400 to 800 ppfd. This flexibility allows you to create the ideal lighting environment for your plants, ensuring they receive the right spectrum for optimal growth. Timing is another area where this light shines. While traditional lights may offer only a few preset timing options, the yadoker Smart Plant Light allows for individual scheduling. This means you can set specific work and rest times to match your plant's unique needs, promoting better growth and health. Overall, the yadoker Smart Plant Light is a fantastic tool for any indoor gardener looking to enhance their plant care. With its smart technology, extensive customization options, and user-friendly features, it's a top choice for those serious about indoor plant cultivation. If you encounter any issues, the company is responsive and willing to help, ensuring a smooth experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.